At your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.